kami and thankful na we get to represent the country po. And hopefully po na manalo po namin yung speaker.
Yeah. Again, state your name, please.
Margaret Dueñas.
Yes, please. Next.
Name first.
Name first.
Venice Quinte po. Siyempre po, super proud po na napili po kami para i-represent yung Philippines to compete for Shaba. And gagawin po namin yung best namin para mapanalo po namin yung mga tournaments po.
Yes. Team captain.
Ava Fajardo, just to piggyback on what they said, I'm just super proud and grateful that we have an opportunity like this and to show the world what the youth program, just super grateful, and we have high expectations for ourselves, and we're sure to try to fulfill them.
Yeah. Yes.
Gabby Ramos. Just to pick it up, back up for them as well. It's an honor to wear this name across my chest, and it's not lost on me what a privilege it is. And I expect us to pick up right where we left off and hopefully have a better outcome this year.
Yes. Thank you. Next.
Melissa Rodriguez. Yeah, like what I said, it's a big honor to be able to play for this team. It's a big opportunity, and yeah, I know we'll be able to do great things.
Yes.
Naomi Panganiban. I'm very honored and blessed to be here, especially to represent my family here and the whole country as a whole. You know, Philippines. The basketball is a very big part of the Philippines, and yeah, we're gonna come out with a win for sure.
Yes. Next.
I'm Alicia Margaret Villanueva, and I am very thankful to represent our country, and I do my best to win this game.
I'm Oberla Pasaran.
Okay. Go.
Thoughts.
Sobrang proud po, blessed po, and honored to be here po. And gagawin po namin yung lahat para manalo po kami. Lalo na po sa first game namin, Thailand. And yan po.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Sophia Canizo, and it feels like I'm proud to represent my country. I'm proud to represent my country, and yeah.
Okay. Next.
I'm Jolene Professor. I'm very proud and I'm blessed to be able to represent the Philippines. It's been a dream of mine, so I'm glad that I'm a part of this team.
Yeah. Next. You can stand, please. Yes.
I'm Ashlyn Abong po. Sobrang nakaka-proud po na masuot syempre yung t-shirt ng Pilipinas. Then, yung makapromise lang po namin na sa TVs, makuha po namin yung gold medalist and makapasok po kami sa Division 80s kami dito.
Yes. Next. Please stand. Yeah.
I'm Camille Reyes po. I'm just really grateful and blessed to be a part of this team because it's such a great opportunity, and not many people like us were able to be a part of this team. So I'm just grateful.
Yes. Thank you very much. Yes, B.